from BSD I'm presenting the global history. As a responsible citizen, I am committed to helping our community and our world through a simple act of environmental stewardship, respect, and kindness. As a student, I learned about the global citizenship, caring for the environment and supporting a local product, helping our community and taking a responsibility for my action and improving in the world. And taking responsibility for our action in helping our neighbors, in being a global citizen and showing respect, whether young or old in our community, and our goal is to shape a good society in our country. And it is also our responsibility to help to be a faithful and as a global and I love to share for others, especially my fellow human beings who are in need as a global citizen. I will help as much as I can. And the pictures I show it to symbolize helping others because here we are honest about things and we are happy. When we help others and we are not as selfish and we are honest in being unto others, especially since we are global citizen. And that's all. Thank you everyone to listen my page.